Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook braised pork belly with mustard green for dinner. These are the most tender and tasty pork belly to enjoy with the family. Here are my ingredients. 800 grams of pork belly, 4 large pieces or 600 grams of tomato, 650 grams of fresh mustard green or gai choy. If they have wilted, soak it in the water for an hour so that it will turn fresh and crunchy. 7 cloves of garlic crushed, 50 grams of ginger cut to strips, 3 stalks of spring onions, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, and 2 cups of water. Let's get started with cutting the mustard green. Remove the stem first. Take a leaf and remove the stem. Next, cut the leafy green part into a palm-sized pieces. And set it aside. Half the stems vertically to 3 inches length and set it aside. Keep the stem and leaf separated as they cook at different rates. Continue this process with the rest of the leaves. For the core of the mustard green, quarter it and set it aside with the stem. After preparing the mustard green or gai choy, this is what we will get. Set it aside. Now we will prepare the tomatoes. Make sure to remove the stem part. Cut the tomato into wedges like this. These are all the tomato wedges. Now we set them aside. Next, prepare the pork belly. I switched the chopping board because the chopping board for vegetable and cooked food should not be used for cutting raw meats. Using a sharp knife, cut the pork belly into bite-sized pieces. Try to include the skin, fat and meat in each of the pieces. Repeat this process for the rest of the pork belly strips. We are finished cutting all the pork belly. Now we can marinate it. Sprinkle all of the salt and all of the pepper. Using our hand, gently rub the salt and the pepper into the pork by tossing them. Set it aside. For the melt in the mouth braised pork belly with gai choy, today I'm going to cook it in an instant pot or the pressure cooker. Put in all the marinated pork belly pieces. Spread it out evenly. Put in the crushed garlic, sliced ginger, sesame oil, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, and all of the water. Give it a stir to make the seasoning well. Now add in the tomato wedges and the mustard green stems. Even out the mustard green stems in the pot. I'm not putting the leaf at this time as we don't want the leaf to be too soft when it is cooked. Cover the lid and lock the valve. Set the Instant Pot and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Alright, time is up. Release the pressure. When all the pressure is released, open the lid. Wow, the smell so good. So nice, fragrant. Everything is so soft. Give it a stir. Remember that we still have the mustard green leaf. I'm going to put it in. Because the vegetable leaf doesn't require to cook too long. If we put in a pressure cooker, it would melt. So I'm going to stir it in now. Put in the spring onions. Cover the lid and leave it to rest for 1 hour. This will allow the flavor to blend with the gravy and soften the mustard green leaves. After 1 hour, open the lid. Wow! It smells so good. The mustard green leaves have cooked perfectly. Tomato wedges are melted in the gravy. It looks so yummy and it smells so good. Now we can give it a taste. Wow, so delicious. At this stage, if you need to add more seasoning as preferred, you can do so. But for this, it's superb. Now we can dish out and serve. Let's eat. So good. The pork belly is soft and melt in the mouth. The mustard green and the tomato give a bit of sourness to the gravy. If you like this braised pork belly with mustard green recipe, please share it. And please subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. Thank you and bye-bye.